So what is a tag? So in HTML, whatever anything which is enclosed with a only open and close brackets, that's considered as a tag. And if it is a, it can be a static starting tag or a ending tag. So like an empty tags, if which don't have any ending tags, that is a empty tags. What is head tags? Whatever tags we can define inside a head section, main head tag, that is considered as a head tags, like uh, title tag, even style tag, meta, links, scripts, and base. All are considered as a head tags. So these are the formatting tags which is used to give different formats of the text, like bold, italic, even delete, subscription, superscript text, and all. To provide a uh, look and feel like a list records or and all, we use like this kind of tags like order, unordered, even description kind of tags. So we'll know more on this in the demo. So link tags is basically used to link to different pages, even to embed some external sources in your web page. So let's move to in the demonstration, where we will be discussing and we will be do the practicals of all these tags and how it is actually works and how we can use that. So guys, let's start the demo. So first is we'll discuss about head tags. So if you see here in this there are different heads we have, right? So let's open the page in directly, like this is head tags. So if you see here, this head has a like this, May 2021. And so let's open that page in a code format so that we can understand what is this. So if you see here, this is that this section, that's title actually getting displayed there. So inside a head we can define a title, we can define metadata, even different of h tag we have, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6 we have. Even a style unit we can embed for css, and the script tag. Those are the head tags. So here h1 to h6 there is no difference, only there will be some size difference will be there. And these are the titles. So titles you can, if you change here also, let's remove it, save it, and if we run it again or refresh the page, see, the text not is modified with the whatever text we have modified. And here everything has a different size. If you put here more, you'll understand. 5, let's put 5 here, 5, let's save it. Refresh. So size difference is there. There is no much such speciality, only size difference will be there. So according to your requirement, you can choose which header you want to work with. So if I refresh also this page here, so everything also came here because I have linked that page here already. So I think you understood what is that basic head tags. Okay. So basic head tags is titles, even these head tags, style and scripts. So let's move to formatting. So through formatting, what we can do, so we can achieve this kind of formatting. Like if you see here, right, so some text is highlighted and it is right aligned and all, even some italic format, breakings, when we can preserve some specific characters also, like this. Yeah, so let's discuss about formatting. So formatting, we have so many features, like if you want to put any power options is there, like a plus beta whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. This power section we can achieve through formatting, even for date also, and for preserve keyword also we can achieve through formatting. So let's open that page. Okay, let's remove all these alignments so that you will understand. If I refresh the page now, page now here, see, so without, so this is a plain text, this is also plain text. Okay, even remove this, like a plus, like we want to write a square, but is not possible because of we don't have any option like this. So here, suppose you want to make any section highlighted, like first page learning, okay, or any section you can. Suppose this section we want to highlight. How we can highlight it? If you use a tag like mark, okay, you need to put the entire text inside this mark, so it will mark the text. Refresh it, so it has marked that page. Okay, sorry, the part of the sentence. So if you want to make it bold also, then you can put B also here. B is for bold. Okay, let's bold it and refresh here, so it is bold. Even if you want to make it italic, so you need to put inside the italic slash, refresh it. It is also now it is italic. So if you see here, these text we have written in so many lines and all, and but if we displaying here, it is displayed in a one line. So how we can display as is whatever you have written here? So for that we have a tag like pre-tag. Pre means preserve. Okay. If we refresh, so it is now showing as is how we are written there. Understood, right? Yeah. But if you want to put any square, okay, to put any square, how we can achieve? We are not able to do that because keyboard we don't have this kind of options. But to achieve that, we can write like this: SUP, soup. Okay. We put this 2 inside a soup tag, it will be now displayed as a power. Similarly, we have this sub power also. I'll show you here. If you put a sub, it will come as a lower part, like A2, like that. It will come in the bottom part. Okay. And this so for this, if you want this text to be in central aligned, so for that we have an attribute. Though it is not a session of our attribute, still I am just showing you how we can do that. So here you have to write align is a attribute is there. You need to put center. If you put center and refresh it, so it is now displaying in the center position. So like this we have a left, right, even center, right? So suppose if we put this inside a del, what is the behavior? So del, if you put any text inside a del, that it will write a stroke line there, right? You can see here stroke line is throughout the data. Even we can preserve also. I remove preserve, but I can still preserve it. So it will be in preserve, still deleted. So these are the basic things of the text formatting. So now let's move to list tags. So list tag is nothing. Suppose in your requirement you have to put some details in a point wise. So if you want to put in a like a sequential number point, then you have to go for a order list tag format. And if you want to like this kind of bullet things, that time you have to go for unordered list. Even you have another option of this kind of text also, like you are putting some headlines and the details here. This is another tag DT and DL, descriptions and DT. So if you want to put in this format, you have to go for the tags. So let's discuss what are the tags. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, it is not open, so let's open it. List tags. Okay, so let's remove everything. Firstly, suppose you want to put some text like books, okay, and like books like English, right? English, history, okay, and then geography, bio, right? So suppose, so if we run this, if you refresh now, I will refresh, it will be easy from refresh here because this is already so if you see here, everything is coming in the list, but we don't want that. We want a like this, either we want a sequential order or a unorder. So to write in a sequential order, how we can achieve it? So we have to, if you want to order it as a sequence 1 0 1 2 3 like that, you have to go for an order list. The tag is OL. Okay, so this OL should have a text for books, fine, and this details we should put inside a li tags. Li should have a closing and starting and closing. So as we have 4, right? So let's create 4 and put one by one here. English, geo, right? Bio, and save it. Control S. Now if we refresh it, if you see, everything is books is coming in order. So how we can achieve this bullet points one? Same thing, it will be same. So I am simply copying it. It will be UL, means unordered list, and closing of the UL. So if I refresh now, see, so now it is coming as a bullet points. Fine. I think you understood. Both are same. Only this parent tag will change. Suppose now we want to now write like this, like milk. Okay, milk. You want to write milk is white. Okay, then leaves are green. So though if you write in this format, if you write in your pen paper, it will be as is, but here website this is not possible. So if you see here, everything is coming is in line, seeing one line. So how we can achieve this? Let's delete, close it. How we can achieve same format in web page? We achieve by DT. We put this milk as a DT tag inside a DT tag, and they put this white as a DL. Then only this format will be preserved. Let's save it and refresh, or simply click here. So now it is done with that format, but this is not done because we are not applied. So if we apply the similarly here, it also be there, same thing. Okay. So like dt slash dt, then dl, and closing of the dl. See, I think you understood how we can achieve this. So it should be actually dd, sorry for that. So let's refresh it, Control home. Yeah, so it will be it is displaying as the same format here. So let's move to link tags. So link tags, by link tags what we can do, link tags we can link to different pages, right? And even we can link or any embed any source, right? Like image source we can embed in our pages. So in this example I already have linked another page here, already have linked another page list tag, okay, and even displaying this image here. So let's go through the coding so that you will understand how I did it. Open it. First of all, this floating text is written inside a marquee. See, if we write anything inside marquee tag, it will be this coming floating like this. So this is a one type of floating text. Sometimes we, for any notification, we can put any text like if we go for any website, you can see like hurry up. So let's put some another text here, hurry up. Okay, the offer is limited for limited time. Let's put inside any, you can put a span also, okay, span, and let's see, put inside a span and make the color as a red. Should be a alarming kind of, so let's put a red here, styles, and color should be red. So save it, let's check what is changed or not. So link tags, see, now it is changed to red and it is also floating. So these are the floating text, fine. So now let's change the image here. So before that, we need to understand how we can embed an image. If for image, we need a image tag and a src attribute. Src attribute you need to give the corresponding image you want to embed here. So here I already embedded this image html.png. So let's put some another image here. Okay, let's remove this png. So let's see what is the impact here. See, image is not loaded here. That means you need to give proper extension of the file also, otherwise it will not be loaded. So let's undo it and save it now again. Now refresh it. See, this image came here. Right? And for linking, how we can do that? So here what I did here, please click on the go next. So for any linking, suppose you are in a link tags, okay, link tags, we are in link tags, but we want to go in another page. Suppose we want to go in suppose demo 2. So you have to copy the demo naming here and replace it. So what I told just now, format also you need to give here. So let's save it and check it. If I now click, it is navigating to some other page. So this is the basic things how we can navigate. Fine. Similarly, you can embed any external source also. Like here I am trying to put my channel here. So it will also, you can connect, you can open any Facebook, if it can give any URL also like Facebook, anything. If it is a valid URL, it will open. So these are the basics of a link tags. So here if you write any again a tag and give that the option to go back the parent page, you can also navigate, you can come back here. I think you understood that what is the use of a link tags.